And welcome back, everybody, to another Reagan Smith training video. Today we're going to look at a tool that came out back in 2019. I just wanted to run through it and let everybody know what it can do and a couple of the cool little tricks in it we can look at doing. So under the Collaborate tab, as you can tell, I'm in 2020. Under the Collaborate tab, there is a tool called DWG Compare. So if you select that, it will actually allow you to open up another drawing. So say you have a couple floor plans and they look very similar, but truth be known that it actually isn't. So in this one, if you come up to the settings little sprocket up here, not in the current drawing, that would be our reference file that we just brought in. The green is what is currently in our drawing, and when there's a gray, there's no differences. Let's go back, hover over that. You can change your cloud display from rectangular to polygonal. Um, that doesn't really matter. You can make it larger. So if there's one little thing you're having a hard time seeing, you can make them smaller for a lot of different things. Um, and you can turn it off and on to compare. But what's really kind of cool is you can import the compared object. So basically, it'll bring the reference into your drawing, or you can select this one that will actually take both of your buildings here and export those out to a brand new drawing. So just a couple of tricks and little tidbits here so you can utilize this in a upcoming project when you're comparing two different files. So if you have any questions or comments, please email me and let me know. Thanks.